If you earn the VA home loan benefit, it may provide one of the strongest paths to homeownership available, but only if you understand how to use it correctly. In the next few minutes, I'll explain the biggest VA loan benefits, the buying process, the costs you still need to plan for, and the mistakes that can cause unnecessary problems. A common misconception is that the Department of Veterans Affairs directly gives you the money to buy a home. In most cases, the loan comes from a private lender, such as a bank or mortgage company. The VA guarantees a portion of that loan, which can allow an approved lender to offer qualified borrowers more favorable terms. The best known benefit is the possibility of buying with no down payment. That does not mean every transaction will require zero cash, but qualified borrowers may be able to finance the full purchase price when the appraisal supports the price and lender requirements are met. VA-backed loans also do not require monthly private mortgage insurance. That can make an important difference in the monthly payment compared with some low down payment, conventional, or FHA options. VA loans may also offer competitive interest rates and more flexible underwriting, but your actual rate, payment, and approval will still depend on your financial qualifications and the lender. The first step is confirming your eligibility and obtaining your Certificate of Eligibility, commonly called the COE. The COE tells the lender that you qualify to use the VA home loan benefit based on your service history or eligibility status. Having a COE does not automatically approve the mortgage. You must also meet the lender's credit, income, debt, and occupancy requirements. A VA experienced lender can often help retrieve the COE and explain your available entitlement. A zero down payment loan does not necessarily mean zero cash out of pocket. Buyers may still need money for earnest money, an option fee where applicable, inspections, closing costs, prepaid taxes, homeowner's insurance, or other transaction expenses. Many borrowers also pay a one-time VA funding fee. The amount can depend on the loan type, down payment, and whether the benefit has been used before. Some eligible borrowers are exempt from this fee, including certain veterans receiving qualifying disability compensation. Your lender should verify your status before closing. The funding fee can often be financed into the loan, but most other closing costs cannot simply be added to the VA purchase loan. Depending on the transaction, we may negotiate for the seller or builder to contribute toward eligible buyer expenses. The VA appraisal and the buyer's home inspection serve different purposes. The VA appraisal helps establish the property's value and checks whether the home meets applicable VA minimum property requirements. A professional home inspection is a separate evaluation of the property's condition. Even when an inspection is not required by the lender, I strongly recommend that buyers understand the condition of the home before moving forward. Here's the process in simple terms. First, confirm your eligibility and speak with a lender who regularly handles VA loans. Second, complete a full pre-approval so you understand your realistic price range and projected payment. Third, work with an agent who understands VA contracts, property requirements, appraisal issues, and seller negotiations. After you select a home, we prepare a competitive offer that protects your interests without treating your VA financing like a weakness. Once under contract, the inspection, appraisal, underwriting, title work, and final approval take place. Before closing, review your final numbers carefully, complete the final walkthrough, sign the documents, and receive the keys. Let's clear up 3 common myths. Myth number 1. VA buyers are less qualified. The reality is that VA buyers must still meet lender requirements and receive full loan approval. Myth number 2. VA loans always take longer. An experienced lender, agent, and title team can keep the transaction moving efficiently. Myth number 3. You can use the benefit only once. Many eligible borrowers can use their VA benefit more than once, depending on their entitlement and previous VA loan history. I'm Mike Ritrovato with Compass. After serving 22 years in the Marine Corps, I understand that military buyers need clear information, not a high-pressure sales pitch. If you're considering buying a home in Burleson, Fort Worth, or the surrounding area, contact me. I'll help you understand the local market, connect you with an experienced VA lender, identify homes that fit your needs, and negotiate a strategy built around your situation. Your VA benefit is valuable. Let's make sure you use it wisely.